Hey y'all, welcome back. If you ever found yourself staring at a pile of bills thinking, did I ever pay this or when was that due again? You're not alone. I've been there. That's exactly why I created this monthly bill planner. It's simple, it's printable, and it's designed to help you stay on top of your finances without the overwhelm. So today I'm going to walk you through how to create this printable in less than 10 minutes. So let's go. Hi, I'm Shay and I own Polka Dot Impression, where we make DIY printables, planners, learning materials, you name it, I can probably design it and make it for you and teach you how to make it too. So let's go. Okay, so today we're going to start in Canva. However, you can use PowerPoint if you would like. We're going to start with a 8 by 5 by 11 inches portrait style. Start by grabbing a text element and choose the month. Type in the month you want to start with. I'm going to do September because August is almost over. Okay. And then we're going to grab an element, which is our table. Bring that up, and we're going to add one more column and stretch it across the page. Okay, and then we just need to add our rows. Be right there. Next, you just need to add in your titles. So your bills, the due date, amount, and if you paid it. So I'm going to select the top row and increase the size of the font. I also want to have a bolder outline of the title, so we're going to go into our table options, click on the one that gives an outer border, and we're going to change that weight to a 4. Okay, and then if you would like to change the background color just to customize this printable a little bit, you can click on color, and I'm just going to go with one of my polka dot impression colors. Okay, and then I will change the font since that is a darker color in the background. Change the font of the lettering to white. Okay, now if you want thinner lines, you can squeeze this table up a little bit more, however much it will let you. Next, we're just going to add a small note section at the bottom just in case you want to make a note that you canceled or you need to call a certain provider to cancel a service or add a service. You can make these notes down here. Okay, and then we're just going to grab a line, stretch that across the page. We're going to make the line weight a 1, and we're going to duplicate it just one time. If you do want to get fancy with your printable, you can change the font just to make it a little more fun. I like that. That's cute. And we are all done here in just under 10 minutes. You can download it, print it, and laminate it, or you can keep it as a digital for your digital planner. And that's it. Just a few minutes of planning each month can save you hours of stress later. And if you're ready to take control of your bills and finally feel organized, go ahead and make this printable. Or if you don't have time, I do have a version of this in my shop. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a little financial peace. I also will be including this printable in my Essential Household Printable series, so stay tuned for that. Until next time, see you later. Bye.